Hello, this morning I got a wonderful question. It was, how can I bring my spirituality more into my daily life? Maybe you recognize this, that you had a wonderful workshop or a wonderful session, or you had beautiful talks with spiritual friends, and then the next day you're back in daily life and the feeling is gone. You don't feel that connection with yourself anymore, or not so deep anymore. So this is actually what it is to be a soul in a body on this earth, right? It's part of our life. And it's also a big invitation to get closer to ourselves and come home to our own soul. There is a lot of things you can do. The most important start is to get really, really clear about what your intention is for yourself. What do you want for yourself? How do you want your life to be? What would you do? How would you feel? What would you look like? Who would be around you in that life? So this one is important, to get really clear about your intention. What do you wish for yourself? And the next one is to ask this question to yourself. Maybe you want to do journaling with it, or maybe you want to just sit with your eyes closed, or maybe you want to go into nature. And ask your question, so what do I need to achieve this intention, to make it real, make it happen? And of course you can also ask me. I can check in with your energy and I can give you answers. But what I love to do more is to guide you to those answers. So if you find it difficult to get those answers, and that's total logical, because life is happening, there are challenges, you have spiritual growth where you go through, letting go of traumas, letting go of old patterns. You know, it's sometimes quite difficult to get reconnected to your essence and listen to your intuition, the voice of your soul. So then I can help you to get to that answers, to find those answers, right? And I can also give them to you, but that's not what I'm here for. That's not what I love to do. I love to help you find your own answers, because that's the most purest form, the most clearest form, because it's your body, it's your information, it's your soul speaking to you. And it's the purest, clearest form of communication. Everything you need is inside of you. I wish you a lot of fun finding those answers, getting clarity about your intention for yourself and how you can get there. Enjoying the process as well. And one tiny tip that's also going to help during the day when you're back to work, back to the daily challenges, is to check in with yourself now and then. Maybe during lunch, before you go to lunch, just check in with yourself. How do I feel at the moment? And what do I need at this moment? Yeah, that's an important one. You could also do it when you go to the toilet. You can put make sure that your phone indicates whenever you need to do that, like every 2, 3, 4 hours. Have a notification on your phone saying check in. So yeah, it's all up to you. You can do this. You can really do this. And when you notice that you're not doing your morning ritual anymore, when you're not checking in anymore, just say, okay, yeah, it happened, right? I'm going to start again. And maybe I need a new ritual. Find out what works for you. Send you lots of love. Bye.